FS Hub, let's look at Euro AUD on weekly. After dealing with monthly, we seem to be far from what we want, and so we need to come down to weekly. Then on our daily, we are going to go into economic data prints for Euro AUD. We cannot have clarity without economic data prints. So on weekly, let's look if we have something beautiful, like we learn to trade back. For your past will determine your present. Your past will determine your present. If you have not prepared yourself in the past, in the future, you cannot compete. You will not have any statistical advantage. So those who spend time educating and preparing way backward are the ones who will rule the future. So let's look at after price tapped into this March 2000 level, 2020, right? So let's look at 2020 price action. After the price due from there, price continued to drop, and the first attempt to buy was at this level. So you can see price have come there in 2024 and rejected. So this becomes your new roof. The structure of Euro AUD is a little bit diabolical, but we have seen so many structures. So in other form, they come righteous, they come diabolical. It's the problem. It's a little bit diabolical. So this is what we see for Euro AUD. So this is your new roof. So let's try to accommodate this guy in our new roof. So this is your new roof for buy, for sell, sorry. So here we have as price draw liquidity from 2020. The first rally we have was here. Here we have official break and retest after break of structure. Price was retested and price return here to retest a broken demand floor and return again to break to retest a broken demand floor as supply. A broken demand floor becomes a supply roof. So this becomes your new supply roof. So for clarity purpose, we would like to, now we have found a roof, now we need a floor. How do we get our floor? We have price of swinging, we have these are multiple upswing, very nice rally, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, price going to consolidation. Very crazy. I like this price action. Here is where I catch my break and retest. We are specialists in market structure. Every time we see it, we know how to cut across. We are specialists in market structure. So here we have, this is your new trend line. It's not from here. If you put this thing here, you are failed this trade. If you put your trend line from here, you fail it. So this one is your new trend line. Ask your guru, those people you are following, ask them if this one is wrong. If they are wrong, come to my comment section and tell me that it's wrong. Okay? I hit my chest and tell you that this is the new trend line for Euro AUD. So if you think it's wrong, come to my comment section and tell me that this is wrong, and I will prove to you why this is the most accurate structure in 2022 rally. This is the most accurate structure. And to further confirm it, you see here you have a break of structure and a retest. And at that level, um, Euro has not crossed that mark. So now the major challenge Euro will have now is to see that Euro manages to break out from We want to see a push into this level, a push into this level. This is another break of structure from 2020. We have another break of structure at that level, and we want to use that as a litmus test. It's a strong litmus test, break of structure, retest. We have here again another retest, a tap into upper liquidity, price returns on retest. So we want to see price return to 1.68450 for a sell. At that point, it's going to be a litmus test for us to see if Euro have all it takes to break that level. If they have all it takes to break that level, that will be fine. But let's look at other supporting evidence. From here, we'll have a breakout from a descending trend line. A weekly descending trend line successfully broken and retested. I want to extend the line for clarity and educational purpose, where we see a clean break of structure from a descending trend line. Respected, we have here supply roof, supply roof, supply roof, break of a supply roof, retest candle, and upswing. And to further create enough buying potential, we see that January floor has been broken. Sorry, January roof. We have a roof in the month of January. This roof has been broken to further guide buyers to upswing. I will change the color to purple and also change this to, let's change this to, um, let's change it to yellow so that we have them detailed. So we have three lines on board, which are all litmus tests. Then on daily, we will now look at a fundamental analysis. It is a fundamental analysis that will guarantee us a potential upswing that will break out the structure to see if Euro AUD will continue in a bullish pedestal. So this is what we have. This is our ascending trend line for ATL. And we have a weekly descending trend line after price tap liquidity into 1.71769. You see the structure has been broken. Look at a sweet retest in the month of December '09. A strong crucifix candle rejected that level, and price has gone on to break March supply roof. Look at the March supply roof, ladies and gentlemen. January supply roof, February supply roof, April supply roof, price break of structure, tapped into 1.71769, peak liquidity, rejected. But when price broke below that level, it rejected again to continue selling. We returned back again in the month of October, respected January roof, and finally in the month of December we broke that roof. What does that mean? Euro AUD buy. Euro AUD buy. And look at the new month candle, December candle. In the month of December, we have broken this on a weekly, and the next week, which is the current week, will continue because last week candle broke the structure. So that was a buy signal. Now price came back to retest it and is moving up. But however, we have to be patient to see weekly candle close. If the weekly candle, but however, there is nothing to wait for because last week have broken January, February, March, April, May supply roof. That roof has been broken. So what we are come here for is retest and to continue buying. So market open tomorrow, next tomorrow, Euro AUD will find a way for a buy. So we look on intraday, 3 hours, 4 hours, look for a buy opportunity, please. Look for a buy opportunity, Euro AUD. Okay, our analysis on weekly has really cleared, and now we have a clear directional bias, very clear directional bias. So now we see our roof, look at our roof, our litmus test, look at it from January, February up to April before break in the month of July, August, and price return in the month of September, respected the roof, return again in the month of November, respected the roof, and in December we broke the structure. So the only hurdle we have here is 1.68450, where you begin to look at potential rejection or sell. Ultimately, set your sell order to retest August high at 1.71769. Price will return there suddenly, maybe at the dead of the night. Australian session, Sydney session, you can open. Asian session, market can swing and reject again. Look at what price has done here. So what price has done here, price can do it again. Price can come here now, swing up and return again. So set your sell order at this level. You might be sleeping and see him give you profit. Your sell order here is your take profit. Don't let this trade cross here. So if mistakenly the price moves into this place and activate a sell, when it drops here, it will close you in profit. So you wake up to see profit in your account. Then if we manage to break this roof, then ultimately it's doing what we want. What Shafi FS Hub want to see is a return into a breakout from an ascending trend line. If price returns into that level, it will be a good day. It will be a time for party to celebrate money rain based on our strategy. It will be a time to go short again. So if price returns to this angle, it will be a time to go short. I will explain it. We have here a bullish rally from August after break of structure, break of a supply roof, demand one, demand two, demand three, demand four, break of a demand floor, price return on retest one, retest two, finally sell off. So if we return here, that would be a good day to continue to sell after a breakout from our ascending trend line. Then we look at other supporting evidence that shows that this buying might really belong. So you see, if you have entered Euro AUD December buy, when I called buy in the month of December at 1.58 level, that would have been a good time. 1.58, 1.59, we did call that in the month of November for a buy after price breakout of structure. And we can see what price has done here, that price has managed to, here is a supply roof, break of a supply roof, price came here on demand, retest one, retest two, retest three, retest four, retest five, and finally Euro AUD is set for that bullish thrust. So you can see the structure. So on weekly, now we have a clear directional bias. So on daily, what we look for is a buy opportunity. As we look for a buy opportunity in Euro AUD, we must also consider that if we sell a sell opportunity, we will sell because the market is bullish to neutral. So when I say bullish to neutral, means it's slightly bullish and could be neutral at some point. This is what this trade is all about. So when you look from the previous all-time high and to where price fell and to where price is, price attaining 50% retracement, meaning bullish to neutral. So at that point, if you have a buy opportunity, go in. If you have a sell opportunity, go in based on structure on intraday time frame. So these are analyses. This is looking very beautiful to me. I love the structure. I love it. It's looking clean. So let's see that Euro AED is gone and it looks very cool. You see the structure come out this way. In the course of interpreting the market from monthly to weekly, we've got a clear directional bias. Then on daily, we'll now look at supporting fundamental data prints that will help Euro continue to upswing. Now we see that the weekly candle has broken January, February, April supply roof, a break of that roof, and when price upswing, peak liquidity for sale, broke the structure. When price return, it got respected again. We got respected in the month of September, got respected in the month of October, and definitely the month of December broke the structure. So what does that mean? We are now certified, cleared for buy.